Hi, Paul Giano's here with Kinetico Advanced Water Systems up here in Richmond, Virginia. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Kinetico's leak detection system. Kinetico has a leak detection system that is actually based on sensing moisture or leaks rather than flow or some of the other methods that are used out there like pressure. It's a fantastic system. This little display here shows in a nutshell what goes along with it. On your main water line coming into your house or business, there is a valve that's installed. This valve has a battery backup ball valve inside it that comes in standard 1 inch, so it won't restrict any flow into your home. This valve can be operated either manually or with the app. If you have Wi-Fi in the house, then obviously you'll be able to use your app remotely to control it. But the system itself is all controlled by this little hub right here, which uses a special frequency called Zigbee. And long story short, the hub is the brains of the whole thing. It communicates with this valve to tell the valve to open or close, and it also connects with these sensors. Now, we show 4 sensors with the basic package. This is a Kinetico product, and it is installed by your Kinetico dealers. But each one of these sensors, which you can have up to 31 of them on one system, has 2 moisture sensing probes that come down through the bottom, and there is a battery backup, a battery inside here that controls the life of the unit. I like to mark them with where they go, because when you have a bunch of them out there, when you go to do battery changes, it's nice to be able to put the right one back where it came from. But the complete system has the sensors, it has the controller that communicates with all of these, and it also connects with your Wi-Fi, like I said before. And the cool thing about the Wi-Fi is that there is a Kinetico app, and this app will actually tell you the battery condition of each one of your sensors, the signal strength going to them. Sometimes you may need to buy a range extender. Most houses up to 6,000 square feet, you probably will be just fine with the standard setup. But it'll give you some details as to what's going on in your home at any moment. So to give you a little bit of a demo here, if you're wanting to work on the kitchen sink and you don't have the phone, you can come down and you can actually just hit close, manually close the valve, and you can probably see that little cutaway down below actually moved to close the valve. And then when you're done doing your maintenance work or whatever you may have, you can open it back up again. Valve is back to normal. If one of your sensors has experiences a moisture situation, those 2 probes will basically make contact, and I'm just going to use this for the sake of lack of something better. After 5 seconds, this will actually beep, and it will tell the unit that we have moisture. The hub has now told the valve to close, and I get a notification that says water detected by the leak sensor named water heater. So it's very informative. And if I'm at work and something happened, let's say you put one of these sensors behind a toilet and somebody spilled water on it, it's not really a water emergency, but they don't know how to turn the water back on. You're the only one that knows about the system. You can remotely go ahead and open your valve from the office or wherever you happen to be. Very cool. 5-year warranty. It's been compared to pretty much all the other systems that are out there, and it crushes them in every single category. From it's a complete system, it's got remote shut off, it actually identifies leaks and flooding. One of the other cool things that they do is they also monitor temperature. So if you're in parts of the country where you're worried about maybe you're out of town for the weekend and there may be a possibility of low temperatures causing freeze damage in your home, The sensors will also give you notifications based on the parameters that you put in and tell you if there's a problem with temperature, which could indicate that there's a broken window, there's a door left open, your furnace or heater is not working. Basically, it's a nice thing to know before something happens that isn't necessarily a leak. Like I was saying before, that's one of the other features that makes these unparalleled compared to the other systems that are out there. We've actually got over tens of thousands of these installed throughout the country. So it's nothing new. They've been highly awarded and recognized. And they also are operable with a lot of other popular systems like Amazon Alexa is one of those, Google Assistant, Google Nest, Samsung Smart Things, and Control 4. Those are 4 platforms that this is also working well with. So the app is great, notifies you. It's a pretty simple package here, 5-year warranty, and it can also get you a discount on your homeowner's insurance. I know that firsthand. So the most important thing is it can protect you from leaks anywhere in the house, up to 31 different locations. So call your local dealer and we can come on out and help and put one in for you.